Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a very easy yet colorful makeup look. One, because I need to hurry and get ready. And two, because I realized that like my last video was kind of long, kind of lengthy, and I don't really want this one to be that. I want it to be kind of quick and, you know, move on through for you guys. So we're going to go in directly with our NYX white eyeshadow base. I don't want a lot, as y'all already know. And if it gets underneath, it's okay, because you know, it will just be okay. So now that we have white on our lids, I don't think I'm going to, do I want to? No, I want to. All right, we're gonna go directly in with our Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna be using this red that's actually pink. If you haven't watched my last video, check that out, because baby, good lord. But red and yellow and green. And I think I'm gonna call this pink lemonade with a little bit of mint. Okay, so now we're gonna take this yellow here onto our brush, tap off any excess, because we don't want to go too high with this. We really just want to stay close to this line, because you'll see eventually it'll carry. You can kind of see where the two are like meshing together. And we're gonna blend out the yellow edges, because we don't just want the yellow to just kind of stop. You guys, we're halfway finished. All right, now you're gonna take a clean brush and you're gonna blend out the edges of the yellow with a clean brush. No product, no colors, no nothing, just clean, okay? All right, now I'm going to clean up underneath here, taking a little bit more white, just to make sure that under eye is wet. Now we're going to take brush dome shape like this, so I can really tell. And we're going to take this green color here, and we're going to take that up underneath our eye. Now we're going to take a really small brush, this one, and we're going to pick up a little bit of this, what color should we do? Which one of these? Maybe this one, we'll kind of go with it. Do y'all see that treacherous? This is why you don't do liner, okay? I'll fix it in a second. Good lord. Okay. Let's clean this freaking liner back up. Making it black again, please. Okay, now let's do our face. I didn't put any primer on. I knew something was different. Let's go in with concealer. We're gonna do a combo of porcelain. We'll just put our Smashbox a little on top of that. Let's go in and blend this all out. Setting powder for our contour. Then we're going to take our all-over face powder and our big fluffy brush. Alright, highlights. Today, we're going to take the Sephora palette for, I don't know what it's called, I don't know. And since we're doing a lemonade-esque, should we go with a gold or pink? Should gold or pink? 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 Let's do gold just because why not? Let's clean up this bottom a little bit. We shouldn't need any more powder. We should stick it on here. All right, you guys. So it was in this moment that things had already went south. I have already tried 3 separate lip colors. I had already taken all 3 of the lip colors off, re-primed my lips. And so the lip color that you see here, I have no idea. I have no idea what combination it is. I know it's a little bit of it's like a nude color. It's also a pink color. It's also foundation. It's also concealer. It's also contour. It's a lot of different things, okay? But just note that in this moment, I was done with lips, and what you see is what you get. So set our face. Alright, going to go fix our lashes, get our hair regular, and we'll be back. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really like it. You know, it's fun, it's festive. I don't know if you guys have anywhere to go where you would need to wear a fun, bright pink, yellow, and green makeup like this, but if you do, please, if you recreate the look, take pictures and tag me. I want to see you guys in this look. It was really easy, really simple. You know, honestly, I like it. I don't really do things like this, but I like this one. Okay, but yeah, again, simplistic, not really simple, but easy to do. Very beginner level look, and yeah, I like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please, again, if you recreate the look, tag me in your pictures. If you have any questions about everything that I use, all of the products will be listed in the description bar down below.